Geography Lesson Part 1. Direction and Distance. Have you ever drawn a map in the dirt to show someone where you live? Such drawings were some of the earliest maps. Other early maps were made of sticks tied together, or pieces of wood sewn to a piece of sealskin. People have used maps for thousands of years to show where places are, how far it is from one place to the other, and the direction to travel to get from here to there. Maps are important tools. Maps tell us where to catch a bus and where that bus will take us. Maps will help us find a friend's house in a part of town that is new to us. Maps help us plan vacation trips. They help us learn about the town or state to which we are moving. Direction. Direction is one of the most important things we can learn from a map. You use direction every day. Left, right, forward, back, up, down. But these directions depend on where you are and which way you are facing. Maps use the directions north, south, east, and west. These directions do not change. North is always towards the North Pole of the Earth. If you stand facing the North Pole, east will be to your right. West will be to your left. South will be behind you. Usually, north will be at the top of the map. However, this is not always true. You must check to be sure. Map makers use a compass rose or a north arrow to show directions. If there is no compass rose, north arrow, or other symbol to indicate direction, you can assume that north is at the top of the map. Look straight north. Hold your right hand out to the side. In what direction are you pointing? You are correct if you said east. Now turn your head just halfway towards your right arm. You are no longer looking north, but you are not looking east either. You are looking northeast. Distance. If you are making a drawing of a person, you will probably not make the picture as large as the person. That would make a piece of paper the same size as the person. A map is a drawing of a part of the earth. A map as big as the earth would be too large to put in your pocket and carry with you across Africa. Maps are drawn so that a certain distance on the map represents much larger distance on the earth. This is called scale. Scale makes it possible to show the whole earth on a piece of paper the size of this page. Not all maps are the size of this page, of course. Your classroom may have maps hanging on the wall. These maps are much larger than the ones in your book, but they show the same earth. Maps have a scale bar to tell you what distance on the earth is represented by a certain distance on the map. And that is the end of Chapter 1.